Alright guys, this is a quick video to show you how to integrate Google Maps on your Kyvio pages. It's pretty straightforward, so I think we've done in less than 5 minutes. So first, you need to have a Google account, so create one if you don't have one, otherwise use your existing login to go to console.developers.google.com. This is the central place to get all the Google APIs. You then need to create a project here. I've done that already. So, and then we want to enable, if we have created the project, we need to enable some APIs. For our case, to integrate the Google Maps API, we need to have the Google Maps JavaScript API enabled. Just click the button here, enable, takes a couple of seconds, and then you'll be able to use the Google Maps API to integrate it into Kyvio. Now we have the API ready, we need to create some credentials. Click on the credential button and then create credential. You need to create an API key. That's these options. Done. And we need to get back to this key in a second. Alright, so keep that window open. Then you open Kyvio and create a new page in your funnel builder. I think that's pretty standard, so I shortcut that. Alright, so back in our Kyvio dashboard, or I created here the page. We add just a normal block, and into that block we add an HTML element. So now go to the following URL. I posted in the Facebook post, and just copy this piece of code here. You can use that button. Go back to Kyvio and then just copy and paste this code here, and you see that it requests your API key, and that's where we go back to our credentials, copy the API key, and replace this variable here with our API key. So after saving, we can now preview the integrated maps here. Now you see that there's a marker on this map. This is pretty useful if you want to mark your business, for instance. And you can do that in the code. You can see that in the code. I gave you the right code. You just add this part here, the variable, and set the marker on the map. This is pretty well explained here. I think you get it in all kinds of languages, and that gives you the possibility to add your position, or the desired position in the map. So I hope this was a bit helpful. Don't hesitate to ask me any questions below this post here.